start చేద్దాం. Then coming to question numbers 1 to 4. Now in this 1 to 4, 7 persons purchasing different items, namely phone and so on, but not necessarily in the same order, isn't it? Then the one who purchased the washing machine is after the one purchased the TV. Now washing machine is after the one who purchased the TV, and the one who purchased the TV is before the one AC. TV is before AC, and after the one who purchased the phone, isn't it? The word immediate is nowhere given, may be immediate or may not be immediate. Before the one AC and after the one phone. The cooler does not purchase at the first, and cooler cannot be at the first place. Then, and the one who purchased computer is before the one AC. Now computer is before AC. Now this computer is before AC and after laptop. Computer is before AC and after laptop. AC does not purchase at the last. AC cannot be at the 7th place. Then the one who purchased computer is before the one phone. Computer is before this phone, and so phone is here. Computer must be somewhere here, isn't it? And if computer is here and before this computer we need to have a laptop. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are computers. Then after this TV we need to have a washing machine, and AC cannot be at the last place, hence washing machine is here. Now if washing machine is here, now this one cooler cannot be at the first place, isn't it? Then the one who purchased computer is before phone, after cooler. After cooler is computer. After cooler is computer, cooler must be at this place, because cooler cannot be at the first place. Then what is the final arrangement? Laptop, cooler, computer, phone, TV, AC and a washing machine. Clear? Hardly it has taken 1 minute. మీరు కూడా చేసినట్టు అంత స్పీడ్ ఉండాలి మీరు. Then 1 to 4. Then 22nd. Now the word abnormality. ABNORMALITY. Now in this word abnormality, if all the vowels are changed to next, and next letter, A will be B, O, P, A, B, I, C, and all the consonants previous letter, B minus 1A, N minus 1, Q, L, K, S, X. Then according to that, then how many letters should appear more than once? Now B appeared more than once, and A, M, P, Q, L. That's it. And so only one letter that appeared more than once, that is B. So I choose the answer 22. Then 23 to 25. Now in this 23 to 25, they are based on inequalities, but whereas coded inequalities. Some other symbols were given. First we need to decode the given symbol. Percentage stands for not greater than means lesser than or equals, and at the rate of means neither greater nor smaller, that is equal to, and dollar stands for neither greater nor equal. Dollar neither greater nor equal, it must be lesser than, and a hash stands for not smaller than means greater than or equal. End stands for neither smaller nor equal, it must be greater than. Now these are the 5 symbols we have. A hash B, and a hash stands for what? And A greater than or equals to B, and means and is B greater than C, C at the rate of C equals to D, and D dollar is lesser than. Now A greater than or equals to B greater than C equals to D. Now D lesser than B, B greater than D, D lesser than B. Now B greater than C, C lesser than B. Hence both 1 and 2 choice by question number 23. Then 24, H end. End stands for what? H greater than L, percentage means lesser than or equals to A, hash means A greater than or equals to K. Then here, end stands for what? Greater than, dollar stands for less than. H and K, opposite symbol. L and K, opposite symbol. Neither one nor two, choice for question number 24. Then 25, dollar stands for what? D lesser than B, end means B greater than A, hash means A greater than or equals to C. Then the next one, dollar. Dollar is lesser than. C lesser than D. Now between D and C, opposite symbol, no relation. C and B, B greater than C, C lesser than B. Hence only 2, that is choice 2, question number 25. Then 26 onwards, it is based on certain number of persons are there in a row. Now certain number of persons are there, they were seated in a row and facing north. Information about N sits 7 to the left of M. N is seated 7 to the left of M, N is here 7 to the left of M, isn't it? Hence in between N and M, how many are there? There must be exactly 6 persons. Must have been that N is 7 to the left of M, only 4 people between N and O. And 4 people between N and O can be left hand side or right hand side. And so many possibilities, and there are 2 different persons and 4 people between N and O. Here N is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, M is here, 4 people between N and O can be here. And there are 2 possibilities here. O sits third from one of the extreme ends. Now in this case O is third from the left extreme, here O is third from the right extreme, M must be at the corner, right end. And only 6 people between O and P. Now in between O and P, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. O and P will be like this. And only 6 persons between O and P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 P. And 6 in between O and P. Q sits 8 to the right of P. Now Q is 8 to the right of P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Q is 8 to the right of P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Q is 8 to the right of P. Q is 8 to the right of P. And P who sits second to the left of H. Now here P is seated second to the left of H. In this case P is seated second to the left of H is not possible. Then, and as many persons in between M and Q, same between Q and T. M and Q, Q and T, T who sits at one of the extreme ends. Isn't it? M and Q there are 2 persons, and in between Q and T there must be exactly 2 people. And T is at one of the extreme ends. Clear? Now this is about question number 26 to 29. Then 30 to 33. Yes, done with this 30 to 33. Now this 30 to 33 they are based on coding and decoding, condition based coding and decoding. Then in this 30 to 33, now condition number 1. Now in the first condition, what is the information we have? And in all the given questions, first and the second. If first and second last letters in the word are vowels. First and second last are what? Are vowels. First and the second last letters in a word are vowel, then the codes of the first and last must be interchanged. The first and the second last letters. Then the codes of first and last. First and last interchange. Clear? Then we need to interchange the codes of the first and the last letters. Then coming to condition number 2, if there is no vowel in the word, then the code for the last 3 letters will be written in the reverse order. All consonants. Then last 3 reverse. Then you need to reverse the code for the last 3 letters. And the second letter in the word is a vowel and the fourth letter in the word is a consonant. Second vowel, fourth consonant. If the second letter in the vowel, the word is a vowel and the fourth letter in the word is a consonant, then the codes of both of them will be as first letter. Now both as first letter. Both as first letter. Then these are the 3 conditions. If no condition satisfies, we need to go for OWDAEP. Now first and the last. Now first and the second last are vowel. First is a vowel and second last is a vowel. Then the first and the last must be interchanged. The code for O is 7 must be written at the last place, and the code for P 4 written at the first place. And the code is 4 and 7, isn't it? Now 4 and 7, these are ruled out, 1 and 2. Now between 1 and 2, then if we check out the second element is different. W, what is the code for W? 5. Hence check out for this choice. because none of these is also there. If none of these is not there, then you can directly go for choice. And then you need to check for this one. Choice 2 is the answer. 30. Then 31. KUQRCH. That means first and the second last vowel, that is ruled out. All the letters are consonant is ruled out. Second is a vowel and fourth is a consonant. Then both as first letter. Now K. Now second and fourth as K. K is dollar. Now K is dollar, E is dollar, R is dollar. 1, 2 and 4 places you need to have dollar. Now this is ruled out and 1, 2 and 4, isn't it? And 1, 2 and 4. And this is again ruled out 1, 2 and 4. Then we have left with only two choices, then start comparing. Which element is different? Second element. 1, 2 and 4. Now this is also choice 4 is the answer. Or none of this. Check out all the elements. If you are not getting the answer, then none of this. Or also choice 4. 31. The next one, 32. Now in this question number 32, what would be? And what would be the code for the word LW? LW, first is a vowel ruled out, all consonant is ruled out, second vowel that is also ruled out. Hence, and it is not following any one of these three conditions, then we need to take according to the above table. L. The code for L is what? Question mark. Now question mark must be at the beginning. And next one, W. W is 5. Question mark and 5. And now third one is what? U. The code for U is star. And yes. Yes is, this is again ruled out, so I spell none of. Then 33. And all the letters are what? Consonant, there is no vowel. Then last three, their code must be written in the reverse order. What is the code for N? N is euro and P is what? P is 4 and K is dollar. Now last three, euro, 4 and dollar. Euro, 4 and dollar and euro, 4 and dollar. Now this is again ruled out. Then comparing between these two. Then if you compare between these two, tell me what is the answer you are getting here. Now first element, second element and third element is different. B. What is the code for B? The code for B is a percentage. This is ruled out point. Or none of this. 33. Then coming to 34 onwards. How much answer 34? It is based on sequence. Now which is exactly between T and B in the above arrangement. Now which is exactly between T and B in the arrangement? T is here. Then where is this B? And B is between these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means sixth element. Sixth element, that is B is the answer. Choice 1, question number 34. The next one, 35. Now 35, how many such symbols are there? Immediately preceded by number, but not followed by consonant. Number symbol but not consonant. Number symbol and again followed by consonant. Number symbol, consonant. And next one, number symbol ruled out. Number symbol ruled out. Number symbol S. Isn't it? Number symbol and a consonant. Number symbol. And so many are there? There is only one, choice 1, 35. Then 36. What should come in place of the question mark? Series. M and U. M and U, what is the difference we have? M and U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7. And U and Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And next one, seventh element to the right hand side of Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the first element we have? D. Now D is the first element. Now D is the first element, these two are ruled out. Then second element. Now 5 and 2. Now what is the difference between 5 and 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element is 2. And again 2 and D. 2 and D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. Then the sixth element is what? N. N should be the second letter, choice 1, question number 36. Here, then 37 to 40. Now in this question number 37 to 40, how many floors are there? Now there are some 5 floors. 10 persons are living on the 10 apartments and 10 flats are there, and each floor is having 2 flats. Then 5 floors, so 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and each floor is having 2 flats, all together 10 flats. Now these 10 persons are staying on these 10 different flats. Then what are the flats we have? X and Y. X is here, Y is. Similarly, X and Y. X is immediate, flat X of flat and so on. Then two flats X and Y, X is on the west of Y. K is living to the north of R. And only two persons are living. K is 2 and only two persons are living means there is one floor between these, isn't it? Because in a floor there are two persons. There are only two persons in between them. Only two persons are living between their floors and both are living in flat Y, isn't it? Both are living in flat. K is living to the east of H and K is to the east of H and both are living on an odd number floor. H and K odd number floor but not at the top. H and K odd number floor but not at the top. H and K must be like this or is like. Are you getting this one or not? Now we have fixed this. And J is to the southwest of F. Now F is here, J is to the southwest. F is in the Y flat, J is in X flat. And living on an odd number floor. Now who is living on an odd number floor? J is living on an odd number floor. And J, southwest living on an odd number floor, hence J must be here. If J is here, F can be at any one of these four places. In all these four possibilities, southwest is always valid. And F is living immediately below 2D. And F is living immediately below 2D, and F is here immediately below 2D in the same flat. Then L is living above you and below A. L is living above you and below A in the same flat. Then who is the person left out? Z is the person left. And as I said earlier, multiple flats are much easier than our regular floor arrangement. Much chala easy అయిపోతుంది. మీరు భయపడుతున్నారు ఇది. Because number of persons will be more. Isn't it? In fact, this is much easier when compared with any one of the floor arrangements. Now this is about 36 to 40. Then, అయిపోయిన పేపర్ ఇంకెన్ని డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో? Anything left out in this one? My number series on the question numbers please. 41. Then question numbers of 41 to 45. Then in this 41 to 45, 0.2, 10.2, 13.s, wrong number. Then now numbers starting with 0.2 ending with 2000. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. It must be product or combination. Product is not possible, isn't it? Hence a combination. Now in this one, 14 and 208, that means it is multiplied with how many times? 5 times, isn't it? And 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hence 0.2 into 1 plus how much? Plus 10. And into 2 is how much? 20.4 plus 10 is 30.4. Into 3, how much? 90 and 91.2 plus 10. And next one, this must be into 4 plus 10. 101 into 4, 404.8 plus 10, 414. And this is into 5 plus 10, this is the wrong. Then into 5 is how much? 27.4. Isn't 207.4 plus 10. Hence what should be the number here? And choice 3 is the odd. 2084 should be the number. Okay. Then 42. Now in this question number 42, again, number 701 decreases to 8. Numbers are decreasing at a very fast rate, isn't it? Then, now whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, you should always start in the reverse order. 8 and 19, 8 into 2, 16 plus 3, 19. 19 into 2, 38 plus 3, 41. 41 into 2, 82 plus 3, 85. 85 into 2, 170 plus 3, 173. 173 into 2, how much? 346. Plus 3 is 349 rather than 359. And what is the wrong number? Choice 4 is the wrong number. Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, always start in the reverse order. Then 43. Now in this 43, 2, 3, 6, 15. Now 2, 3, 6, 15, 48. Then Now 2 and 3, how can you represent this one? Into 1.5. Now this is into 2 and this is into 2.5. 1.5 to 2.5, this is into 3. Now if it is into 3, this is 45. And 45 into 1.5. 45 into 3.5. Clear? Hence what is the wrong number we have? 48 is the wrong number choice. Now follow avutunnara leda? 1.5 to 2.53 and 3.5. Then next one. And 44. Now 4, 16, 40, 88. Now 4, 16, 40, 88. Then 4, 16, 40, 88. Now 16 into 2, 32 plus 8, 40. 40 into 2, 80 plus 8, 88. Now 4 into 2, 8 plus 8, 16. Into 2 plus 8, into 2 plus 8. 88 into 2, 1. 88 into 2 plus 8 plus 8. Hence 190 is the wrong number. Clear? 190, that is choice 1. Then 45, 223 and 224 difference is 1. 24 and 30 difference is 6. 30 and 37 difference is 7. And 37 and 53 difference is 16. And 53 and this one difference is 25. Now 16, 25, 1. These are perfect squares. The remaining numbers must also be perfect squares. Hence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are the differences among these numbers. Then 223 plus 1, 24 plus 4, 28. Now 228 plus 9, 37. Plus 16, 253 and so on. Hence what is the wrong number? 230, choice 4, 45. Clear? Now this is about paper number 69, RRB PO Prelim. Yes, any doubts in